Hi, I'm Cainin Ramey. I started coming to Sheppard Chiropractic. I guess it was close to 5, 6 months ago. In the last 5 years, had a lot of trauma in my back and lower hips, and had a lot of trouble walking and a lot of really weakness in my lower back. I couldn't really do much, couldn't rock much weight, and started coming here. And within a couple weeks, I started to notice a difference. And now I'm kind of starting to get to the point when I'm coming a lot less and I'm feeling a lot better. So if it wasn't for Sheppard Chiropractic, I'd be in a lot more trouble than I am today. So thanks a lot.